Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our third day where we practice how to speak English. Actually, guys, if I'm truly speaking, I never interested to speak English. Yeah, in India, it is a compulsory language, and that's why maybe I'm learning. But if I'm saying, then I just love to speak Spanish. And you know what, guys? If you know Hindi language, then Hindi to Spanish translate is a very few people who understand because I think if you know English language, then a lot of people know Spanish and English both language. But I think it's a very few or very few people who know Spanish or Hindi because if they know Hindi or Spanish, then definitely they know the English language also, and maybe that's why I am also trying to speak English. And if I am talking about my Spanish journey, then I can say that now I am in that condition where I understand what the other people want to say to me, but I'm not on that stage where I can also explain my feeling into the Spanish. And definitely it is gonna be very hard for me because whenever you never listen Spanish and you want to speak Spanish, then definitely it is very hard for me. But personally I'm thinking like that, if you love something, then you definitely do it and achieve it. And seriously, I just love to speak Spanish, and I think I am fully focused to learn at right now English because if I know English, then it is very easy for me because you know what, guys, if you learn Spanish, then the teacher is also speaking English, and maybe I know how to speak English, but the obstacle is that I am not very confident to speak English. That's why I am here to practice. I'm not here to prove somebody else, and I don't know. And it's enough for today. Let's meet to the another video.